Hello guys, so in this video we are going to learn how to install Git on our machines. So if you are ready, let's jump right in. Alright, so just a quick disclaimer. This will not be a full tutorial on Git. We are just going about the installation. So first we open up our browser and we search Git in our browser. Now this will usually be the first link, so we click on Git over there and we open up the website. Now Git is a free and open source distributed version control system. We use it to manage code, so having Git on your machine is a very good thing. Now you can choose between the 32-bit or the 64-bit. So if you are running a 32-bit, it's advisable to use that. I'm using a 64, so I'll download the 64-bit setup. So yeah, I'll start the download and it might take a while, so I'll get back to you when it's done. Alright, so it's done. I'll open the folder where it's saved and I'll begin the installation over here. So I'll double click on the setup and let the program run. So we are presented with the public license. We go through the terms and conditions. We select where we want it to be installed. So we have some additional components. So I want to have a desktop icon, so I'll click on that, and over here we have some additional things over there. I'm comfortable with this. I'll click on next and we can click on next again. Now here I'll like to leave it at the default, so I'll go through the various installation, leave it at the default, click on next, and then hit on install to install Git on our system. Alright, so Git has been installed. We can decide to launch Git or view the release notes. I don't want to view the release notes, so I will check that and launch it. So this gives us the Git terminal. You can also run Git on your local machine, but I'll get back to that in a second. So over here in the Git, I just want to make mention of a few things. We have the documentation, you have the some few information over there. So in the documentation, if you want to learn a bit more, you can learn about Git, the various commands to use. In the future I'll be making tutorials on Git. So we launch the Git bash terminal and then we type in git -v and no, it's git -v to check the version we have. So the Git version we are currently running is 2.37, but yours might be different in the future. So that's it guys. I'll catch you in the next tutorial.